Before watching our video, please subscribe to Vern's channel and hit the notification bell. Please click the like button and share it. Subtitles are available when clicking CC button.
Hi everyone. This model has very big hair volume. First, I do hair volume adjusting for her. I combine Vern Texturizing scissors 6EA and 6EB, and add Vern bridges in the middle together to use. Pay attention. With one cut, the first scissor texturizes next to the scalp, and the second one texturizes at hair roots.
6EA. Texturize next to the scalp for too big hair volume. Remove redundant hair completely. 6EB. Texturize at hair roots. Support and make hair long-lasting.
At the same time, it can remove redundant hair for her, and do support for the hairstyle. Just texturize at the position, which has more hair volume. The hair adjusted is little. You can feel it easy to use them. I combine Vern Texturizing scissors 2 pairs of 6EC and 6EB, and add Vern bridges in the middle together to use. Adjust hair volume at hair roots, and the middle of the hair. Look, it doesn't leave any scissors cutting marks on the hair. That's because Vern Texturizing scissors has L-shaped teeth design, which is awarded invention patent. You can create exclusive spacing effects without tool marks by these scissors. I specially texturize on a slice of the hair. Rest assured that you don't have to worry about cutting off a lot of the hair. You can do texturizing with ease.
Yes.
Next, I combine 2 pairs of Vern Curve scissors 6N together to use. Cut the length by point cut. Due to the direction of the hair flow and cutting angles, I use Vern both-handed non-simultaneous cutting technique to make cutting smoother.
6N. Perfect for curve line and fly cutting technique.
I combine Vern Texturizing scissors 6EC, 6EB and 6EA, and add Vern bridges in the middle together to use. Cut to the length I designed for this hairstyle, by texturizing to cut.
6EA and 6EB and 6EC. Texturizing to cut. Create supernatural hair ends.
This part is not connected with the hair color at the bottom. This cutting method can create natural gradation effects at hair ends.
You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.
To complete this hairstyle, I use Vern Curve scissors 6N for cutting the contour line. At the back, I cut the special curve effect expressly to make this hairstyle unique and distinctive. If you like this video, don't hesitate to click like it. More haircut video clips on YouTube. Welcome to subscribe. Click the bell next to the subscribe button to get the notifications of latest videos.
You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.